Good evening, everyone. It's 11:08 at the News Center 23 studios right now. This is our final forecast for the night, and then we'll be back with you again. Crawfordsville. We're expecting those temperatures to really plummet throughout the night. I do not agree with the Zoom radar little quickie forecast over there at Tuttle Middle School. It's 5 degrees. The winds are calm at this moment, but we are receiving reports out of Lafayette, Muncie, and other places could be dealing with the same thing, essentially, that weather stations are broke. And that being said, it's not recording. This weather station may not be recording the right um, wind speeds. We do expect those wind speeds to pick up. If that is the correct wind speeds will be picking up very soon. A travel warning has been posted for Montgomery County. That means essential emergency travel only. If you do not have to be out, you are not to be out. You could and you are likely to receive a ticket for being out. We need to keep those roadways clear so that we can get these snow plows through, and that way they are able to get what they need to get done. Let's talk about our wind chill warning right now. With the winter storm warning, even though it hasn't expired, it's set to expire in 2 hours. I don't think that it's a major concern right now because the winter storm is past. Cleanup is not underway yet, um, but the wind chill warning is what's really striking everyone now. Winter weather advisories and the winter storm warning are nothing. There is a blizzard warning for some of the very northern parts of our counties, and actually that's not even in our viewing area, but there is a blizzard warning off to the north. That will stay off to the north, and that doesn't expire until 7 tomorrow morning. For us, though, we're not expecting that. We're expecting near blizzard conditions. Um, but anyway, the wind chill advisory goes into effect from at 1 a.m. tonight, and that will be in effect. It's set to expire at 7 p.m. on the 7th, so that will be Tuesday. But that could be extended per what actually happens. Let's take a live look at Precision 23 radar at the city view level. We're seeing right now some minor flurry activity really to the southeastern portions and the northeastern portions on the city view level. State view is showing that band of snow is just past Dayton now, and we are pretty much out of this. We are seeing some lake effect snow off to the north, but really nothing for us. Regional view shows the same thing. But the past few hours this is something new that we now have on Precision 23's past few hours. You can see those snow showers, and excuse me, there really is still a little bit of light snow in the area. If you go outside, it's still there. So that's what those past few hours are showing for us. Let's go ahead and go up into our forecast now. Again, wind chill warnings, blizzard warnings, etc. Here are the snow totals that we do have. These are as of now. We will update those again in the morning just to make sure we get everybody included in there. But as of right now, we have reports just stopping about here with those 12-inch plus marks. Those could extend off to the northwest or northeast. But right now, really, Lafayette, Crawfordsville, down to Greencastle, 12-inch plus for us. 5 to 8 when you get out to the blue, and the lighter blue was 3 to 5, purple was 8 to 12. Now, local lows, Crawfordsville, you'll get down to -18. Indianapolis, 16 below. Spencer's 13 below. Terre Haute, 15 below. 20 below in Rensselaer tomorrow morning when you wake up. The big thing is wind chill forecast for Monday morning. 41 below Crawfordsville, 37 below Indianapolis, 32 below Spencer, 42 below Attica, 45 below Rensselaer. Highs on Monday will not move much. 15 below Crawfordsville, Lafayette, 16 below in Attica. Rensselaer is at 18 below, 12 below in Terre Haute, and 11 below in Spencer. Now, I just went backward, sorry. Tuesday morning, temperatures will be even colder, 25 below Attica, 25 below Crawfordsville, 25 below Lafayette, 23 below Indianapolis, 21 below down in Terre Haute, 26 below in Rensselaer. Tuesday, highs will move quite a bit, but we will not break that freezing mark except down to the very far south. Here in Crawfordsville, Attica, Lafayette, all 4 below, 2 below Indianapolis, 6 below Rensselaer. 2 degrees in Spencer and 0 in Terre Haute will be your high. They are going to break that. And here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Monday, again, -15 for your high. 21 degrees on Wednesday with clouds. Um, 26 on Thursday for your high, with another chance for snow in the forecast. This will be a snow with accumulation. Numbers are not quite pounded out at this time, but we will get those out to you probably late, or not late tonight, later tomorrow. Friday we have a chance to see an actual mixed precipitation with a high of 32. Saturday 34 degrees, so we're going to begin a little warm up, if you call it that, and Sunday we'll see some rain showers throughout the area. You can always find the latest closings and delays on our website North Montgomery School is closed, South Montgomery School is closed, Attica, Covington, Southeast Fountain, Western Boone, Lafayette, West Lafayette, all closed tomorrow morning. Full list is located under the closings and delays tab. I do want to go ahead and show you the travel map for the state right now, because our entire viewing area is per a few counties, if we can get it up. But anyway, we are under that level 3 travel warning, and that is in effect for our viewing area, and that will be in effect until further notice. They will let us know when that is no longer needed, and we just got word actually a while ago, really, that even Indianapolis is seeing that warning right now. The mayor in Indianapolis has just upgraded that advisory he had under a travel watch earlier today to a travel warning. For some reason, we just cannot get this to load. I think that if we open... Oh, that wasn't going to start? There it goes. Oh, yes. As you can see, most of the northern parts of the state are in travel warnings. There are a few of our counties, about 2 of our counties, that are not under those travel warnings, that are still under travel watches, those Putnam, Clay. Everyone else, you're under travel warning, and that means you are not to be traveling. We will expect to see some of these travel warnings lifted tomorrow, but many of them will remain as cleanup continues. And it's just going to be too cold to really clean a whole lot up. Now, I do want to go ahead and show you, if I can get the traffic conditions up. Here we go. This is a map after it loads. For some reason, it's just not loading tonight. It makes me wonder if some of the lines for the internet are not down. This is going to be a map after it finished loading. Oh my gosh, it's going to go slow. To show how road conditions are across the area. Oh, as you can see, the entire Crawfordsville Lafayette corridor, Greencastle included, difficult conditions. I-70, I-80, I-94, I-65, all critical disruptions, it says. Let's go see what I-65 in both directions. Extremely hazardous driving conditions between exit 172, which is Indiana State Road 26 in Lafayette, and exit 253, which is Merrillville, Indiana. Extremely hazardous driving conditions. All lanes are blocked for the next half day. I-70, there's been a crash westbound. It's near Terre Haute. That was at 10:43 p.m. tonight. I-80 and I-94 if you're heading up north. Extremely hazardous. The road's closed for the next half day at least. So we will keep an eye on that for you as those develop. Really, not much else in the way of activity. Really, everything's considered difficult. Quite a few roads are going to be considered impassable tonight, as those roadways will be drifting because winds will be picking up, and we will see those high gusts, and that's going to blow some of this lighter, fluffier snow that we have. In fact, we've already got reports out of even Tippecanoe County, drifts over 24 inches tall, and that will be a huge issue for this cleanup, considering the kids going back to school on Tuesday. Right now, that could be up in the air with the cold temperatures Tuesday morning. and the blowing and drifting possibility. We'll look at that throughout the day tomorrow, but as of right now, I really do not see schools opening for Tuesday either, as too many of these travel warnings are still going to be in place due to the drifting roads and the cold conditions, making it difficult for cleanup. So tune in to News Center 23 tomorrow around 9 a.m. We should have a new update out for you with updated forecasts, updated highs and lows, and wind chill values will be a main factor tomorrow. We will keep those updated for you throughout the day. If you do not have to go outside, do not go outside. It is cold, but if you do, bundle up. Make sure every part of your body is covered. Don't expose anything. Skin can take, in these conditions that we will be having tomorrow morning, skin can take less than 10 minutes to freeze, and that is a big issue and a big concern with local doctors and emergency workers, because frostbite will be very prevalent and prevalent throughout all of these next 36 to 48 hours. So just keep that in mind, and don't go out if you don't have to. For News Center 23, I'm Tristan Butler.